Happy day, friends! Today we talk about winged eyeliner. I was asked by a few of my subscribers to make a video on winged eyeliner, so here I am presenting a very easy way of achieving that wing. Well, everyone has their own ways of putting eyeliner, and this is my way of creating a winged eyeliner. I have tried to make a very simple, fuss-free video, and I hope I'm able to help you girls achieve that perfect wing through this video. So coming back to the topic, my technique is really simple. I start off by taking some liquid eyeliner. I draw out a flick starting from the outer corner of my lash line going upwards. So by doing this, you basically create a base or a guide for your wing. Now go to the inner corner of the eye and draw a steady line going towards the outer corner. So as you can see that there is this empty space and it is not yet looking like the perfect wing. So you join both the lines. You join the wing with the rest of the eyeliner to make it look one. So now you can see that the outline of my eyeliner is done, and now I just have to fill in the empty space. Don't forget to put eyeliner close to your lash line, otherwise it looks really bad. And that's it, your winged eyeliner is done. It was that easy and quick. So to even simplify this technique, on my other eye, I repeat the same process. After drawing out a flick, instead of drawing one single steady line, I have broken it down for you guys so that even the beginners can make use of this trick. So the trick is to draw small but steady strokes and create a line. This is the only difference that's there on the second eye. You fill in the gaps and your eyeliner is done. In case you make a mistake, don't panic. That's the most important thing. Just let it dry first and then take a Q-tip and put some makeup remover on it and gently erase your mistake. This method is very neat and fuss-free, and I have come up with this technique after years of trying out different ways of putting eyeliner. I curl my eyelashes using a lash curler and apply a generous coat of mascara. Your perfect winged eyeliner is done. A little piece of information that I want to give you guys here is that always make sure that when you're buying a liquid eyeliner, the brush or the felt tip of the eyeliner shouldn't be too long, as beginners will have a tough time handling the long brush and they won't be able to draw out a neat line. Secondly, a winged eyeliner is best drawn using a liquid or a gel eyeliner and not by your regular kajal stick. So don't use that to create this look. You guys let me know your way of putting eyeliner. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share my video with your friends and family. Many interesting videos are lined up for you guys. I'll see you guys soon in my next video. Bye.